Hi guys, welcome back to my channel darkskinbeauty_fe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today, since everyone's at home and is not allowed to go out because of this coronavirus situation, and you might be feeling like how I'm feeling, your eyebrows might be starting to looking like this. So today I just have the solution for you. So I started doing this before all of this quarantine situation happened, because I would go to the eyebrow place or beauty parlor and the people normally mess up the middle section of my eyebrows right here. So it really makes me like angry and frustrated. So I was like, okay, I'm not having it anymore. So I started doing it myself. So that's why today I'm going to show you guys how to do your own eyebrows at home. I would recommend only do this if you feel confident. If you feel like you're gonna mess it up and have less confidence, then don't do it, because you know, eyebrows are precious. For today's tutorial, you need one of these. It's like face hair removal thing. You can use it also on your eyebrows. So I bought this from Wilkinson. You get 3 in one set. Then you would need a small scissor, so you can steal your husband's, boyfriend's, or your dad's, brothers. I stole my husband's because I don't have my own. You need a plugger as well. These 3 things you will need. You would also need one of these eyebrow brush. So first thing what I'm gonna do is just brush my eyebrows. You can see all those long hairs. And what I'm gonna do is cut the extra hair, especially those that's standing. Okay, all this extra hair, I'm gonna cut them first. So just be very careful. So obviously it's not gonna be the same as you threading your hair. It's just to keep it look at least a little bit decent. So I just cut this bit off and I'm happy with that. And then do the same on this side. Now what I do is I take my shaver and I start shaving like this. So make sure not to go too close to the eyebrow line. Just keep it like the outside. And then here also, be careful not to remove the skin. So now I'm going to do the middle. So when you do the middle, be careful. So I always start to go with this side and sort of remove the extract hair like this, and you can bring your eyebrows see all the extra hair. Okay, now if you see, I'm happy with my middle part, how it's turned out, and I'm happy with this section. Also here I just have some small hairs. Just need to remove them now. Just gonna remove some more hair from this side. This is it. So this is what I do. I don't do too much removing with the razor. Just keep it minimal. Don't go too close to your roots. Just, you know, tidy it up and you look like a human. So this is without, this is with removed. I'm gonna put some makeup on this side and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So yeah, this is how I tidy my eyebrows at home. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please do share with other people. If you liked it, don't forget to click that like button. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and subscribe now. And for my upcoming videos, you can click on the bell icon and it will update you when I upload new videos. So I hope all of you guys are staying safe and is not going out. It is very crucial that you keep your social distancing, especially for those who are at danger, who are at risk. You know, you don't want to pass it on to other people unconsciously. Unless you really need to go buy that grocery. Unless it's a necessary thing, please do not go out and put others at risk, please. That's my small request for everyone. But other than that, I'll post more videos and I hope you enjoy them in the future. Yeah, talk to you guys soon. Bye.